Hello friends, welcome to my channel Alina Craft Studio. Today I want to show how I helped decorate the Ben and Holly Little Kingdom theme birthday party for my friend's daughter. We have done a lot of work. I think this video will be useful and hope will inspire someone to repeat our party props ideas. So let's start it. I began my project by looking for ideas on Pinterest and made a visual presentation of my plans. I highly recommend doing this when planning any parties. It helps me structure my ideas. I started my project by creating the invitation. There are my inspiration examples. And here is my design of the invitation, where I added all details about party, the date, time and location. You can print this invitation or send it like a digital file. The next decor I made the custom juice labels. I already posted step-by-step tutorial how to make Capri Sun juice labels, how to make the design in Canva and what materials to use you will find in this tutorial. Check out the link in the description. The next project for this birthday, the guest photo frame. You can also find detailed tutorial on my channel. Here I will show our photos from the party. All the guests happily posed for memory and everyone had a lot of fun. Also we prepared goodie bags for guests. We took 2 colors and printed stickers for them. Look how cute they are. Also, I found ideas with elf hats and princess crowns on Pinterest. And of course, I decided to make the same ones for our event. Check out my channel. I also have how to assemble these photo props. I wanted to make cutout characters for a long time. And I'm really happy with how they turn out. I will tell you in a nutshell how I did it. I printed my images on glossy photo paper, then bought foam board at Dollar Tree store. I removed the upper layer and applied my sticker images. Then you can take utility knife and cut out the pictures. Also for this project, you can use hard foam cutter. It cuts foam board like a butter. Choose the option that's more convenient for you. In random order, I cut off small pieces of foam board and will glue them with a hot glue gun. This is how they will hold our cut out characters. Also, I made these awesome buckets and added the toppers with daisies and ladybugs. Especially I want to stop on these cookies that my friend Olga made for this event. Look at these details. The kids couldn't wait to try them out. And for each cookie I made custom thank you sticker. Of course, I made a banner with the name of our birthday girl. Also, I found coloring pages in the theme of our party and also printed them out for our birthday girl. And finally, what's the birthday without cake? We decided to print all the main characters and decorated the cake as a flower meadow. It seems to me that birthday was successful. I did this project with a great pleasure. I hope you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and happy crafting, my friends!